Hi everyone, welcome to Misha Designs, where I share refashion and sewing tips and tricks with you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing, and like those videos. Let's talk fanny pack, guys, especially those oversized ones. Gucci and Louis Vuitton got me realizing I needs to step my fanny pack game up. So I DIY'd myself a sexy oversized fanny pack. First, I created my pattern. I had to look at a fanny pack picture to get an idea of how it needed to be shaped to create my pattern. Why? Because there were no good free patterns available. So I got all my tools together and created my own. I had my pattern, I got my scrap fabric as well as this cotton-like material for a soft durable finish as my lining, and my thrifted leatherette jacket for the main material. To be honest, originally this was to be a sleeveless coat, but it had too many issues and it just sat there, so I'm glad I had the opportunity to use it for something pretty awesome. I also got my scissors, pins, craft clips, and a 14-inch metal teeth zip. First, I folded my jacket in half on the wrong side and pinned my main body pattern to get my front and back pieces. I snipped notches to know my zipper area, then used the pieces to cut for my lining, making sure they were folded in half to get my 2 lining pieces needed. I then took my flat piece pattern and folded the jacket and lining fabric in half to get the pieces I needed. I started putting everything together by attaching the zipper to the curved edge of the flap pieces. I marked my midpoints and attached from there, working my way around. I then took it to the machine and ran my stitch. When that was done, I attached that piece to the front pieces of the bag. Again, marking my midpoints and attaching from there and working my way around. Make sure everything is pinned in place before running the stitch. I decided to do a quick design at the front with shoelaces before continuing. Before attaching the back, I added a pocket to the back lining so I would have a pocket inside the bag. Once I was done, I pinned all my back pieces in place, marked the top and bottom midpoints, and got ready to attach it to the front and flap piece. I started from the bottom midpoint and worked my way around, stopping 2 inches away from the top edge on both sides. This is to add my webbing straps later on. For the straps, I needed to make a trapezoid shape with the top being 1 inch in length and the bottom about 1.5 to 2 inches in length. I cut 4 pieces of this shape. I then attached my buckled webbing straps to the pieces by sandwiching it between the pieces' right sides, pinned it in place, and stitched from one side to the next. To attach my straps, I placed the straps inside the bag and sandwiched the trapezoid piece between that opening space I left at the top and clipped it in place to run my stitch. This part is optional. I cut strips out of my scrap fabric to cover my raw edges to make the inside look a little nicer and neater. I did this process around all my raw edges. Once I was done, I turned my bag right side out and I was finished. Or so I thought. I forgot I wanted to have the straps adjustable. So I cut 1 piece of the strap on the side that has the slider on it and stitched a piece of leatherette onto the end so that it doesn't come out of place while adjusting. Once that was done, I did some extra designs on my bag, made a matching purse, and boom, I was complete. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and feel free to comment and let me know below. And until next time guys, deuces.